Alright, so today we're looking at a Vente hood that has the GU10 Halogen bulbs. And one thing I get a lot of customers reaching out to me about is, are there any LED kits that we can change out our older halogen lighting to new, more energy efficient LED lighting? Now, there's a couple of reasons people want this. One is it'll save you energy cost. A couple things about halogen: the average bulb life is usually only 5 to 7 years. They run extremely hot to touch, and they burn up a lot of electricity when compared to LED. And in addition to that, they pull out kind of a yellowish hue to your cook stove, and a lot of people actually enjoy that color and don't want to go with a brighter, whiter LED light. But then again, the new popular thing is to put in under cabinet lights. And what you're going to find with under cabinet lights is they're a lot brighter white than these halogen bulbs. So the light will tend to clash when you run them both at the same time. So I finally created a kit for people that have the older halogen lights to convert them to a newer style LED bulb, as you see here. And these are going to be sold as a kit. You're going to need to replace the switch because we need to have a special diode on this switch that will enable you, a dimmer pack that will enable you to alternate between low and high. If you just simply change the bulbs out, you will lose the low setting on the light bulb. So as a kit, you can buy this replacement switch with the dimmer pack and the newer LED style bulb. So we're going to see what a difference that makes after we make this change out. Okay, so we've just completed our repair, and we have taken out the old switch, which you can see looks the same, but it has a resistor that lowers the wattage of the two 50-watt halogens here that we pulled out of the hood. And I've replaced them with the newer LED lights. So as you can see with this LED kit, the light is much brighter over the stovetop. I would say it's probably 3 times brighter, and the light that these LEDs emits much better matches my under cabinet lighting on either side. So if you've got an older Vente hood with the GU10 style 50-watt halogen bulbs and you're looking to change it over to LED, I have a kit now with the switch, the dimmer pack, and the replacement bulbs to convert your older Vente hood into a brighter LED, more energy efficient appliance for your house. All available at ventehoodparts.com.